A is for Anatolian Shepherd.
B is for bison. C is for cave salamander.
Croak, croak.
D is for desert kangaroo rat. F is for fat-tailed gerbil. G is for gerbil. H is for hummingbird. Chip, chip. J is for Javanese Zorilla. K is for Kaiser spotted newt.
Croak, croak.
L is for long-clawed marsupial mouse. M is for Mississippi kite. Pwee, pwee, wee. N is for nocturnal bat. O is for octopus. P is for parrot snake. Hiss, hiss. Q is for Queensland koala. Bellow, bellow. S is for saw-shelled turtle. Hiss, hiss. T is for Taiwan huamei. Song, song.
U is for Udzungwa forest partridge. V is for variable kingfisher.
W is for warbler. Trill, trill, trill.
X is for Xanthus's anole. Bob. Z is for Zorilla.
Woof.
Roar!
One more.
F is for friends. And this is my friend, the horse. We hope you enjoy the show.
A is for Argentine Tegu. B is for Black Panther. C is for Coach Whip Snake. D is for DeBraza's monkey. E is for Eurasian curlew. G is for garter snake. H is for humphead bat. Click, click. I is for Irish water spaniel. Woof, woof. J is for jackal. Yip, yip. K is for Cano's toad.
reorganization is for loggerhead shrike.
Chatter, chatter. M is for Macau. N is for North American porcupine.
Grunt, grunt.
O is for orb weaver spider. Strum, strum, strum. P is for pronghorn. Q is for quaking aspen leaf roller. Rustle, rustle. R is for rusty spotted cat. S is for satin bowerbird. T is for toy poodle.
U is for Uluguru violet-backed sunbird. Chirp, chirp. V is for Veldkamp's fruit bat. The letter V, Micronycteris.
W is for white-tailed deer. The letter W, Odocoileus. X is for Exeric sidewinder. Y. Z is for Zorro. Bark, bark. One more!
A is for Abyssinia.
B is for Belgian shepherd. Bark, bark.
C is for cicada. Buzz, buzz.
D is for drumming katydid.
E is for edible frog.
Ribbit.
G is for greater kudu.
H is for hermit thrush.
Oh, holy, holy, oh, holy, holy. I is for Indian sand boa. J is for Javanese grasshopper.
Chirp, chirp.
K is for Kenyan sand boa. L is for leather jacket beetle. M is for Madagascar tree boa. N is for Nepalese mole.
Snuff, snuff.
O is for orange fruit dove. P is for pug. Q is for quaking grasshopper. R is for rice rat. S is for skunk. Hiss, hiss. T is for tentacled snake.
U is for upland warbler. Trill, trill.
V is for Veldkamp's fruit bat. The letter V, Micronycterus. W is for woolly monkey. The letter W, Lagothrix.
X is for Xanthus's rattlesnake.
Y is for yellow-breasted capuchin. The letter Y, Sapajus.
Chatter, chatter! Z is for Zocor.